Congratulations! Finally, after all your hard work, you are ready to take clients with the confidence to say, yes, I am good at sew-ins. By mastering these techniques, you will get great results and happy clients. Beginning the lesson. We are starting to bead in a waterfall method that chains all the beads together, making the most secure and gentle beaded technique. The first section is about 3/4 of an inch wide. All adjoining sections are about 1/2 inch wide. Continue to chain beads together as shown. In most cases, take 1/2 of the hair from the previous section and add it to the next section. If a client has thin hair, use all of the previous section hair. We use large 5.0 millimeter size silicone beads. You can load your loop tool with up to 12 beads at a time. The left side row has already been created. Now it is time to connect the rows together. Take 1/2 of the hair from each side and connect with the center bead. I am now clipping a Genius Weft onto the beaded row using small clips. Make sure the Genius Weft is placed just under 1/2 inch in front of the first bead. Here's a pro tip. Check the first side of the weft to make sure it is still past the first bead. Sometimes it slides back during clipping. Cut the weft after checking. Continue clipping the weft. When you reach the other side, cut the weft so it ends past the bead, just like on the first side. Continue watching to learn about sewing. Get a sew-in practice kit. See link in description. Thread your needle with 2 arm spans of thread. Here we are using cotton thread, not the end. Start sewing between the first and second bead. Insert the needle in the loop at the end of the thread to secure. Sew going forward with the thread held up and forward of the needle. Sew 4 to 5 stitches very close together at the end of the weft. You are stitching under the hair that is secured down by the first bead. This will keep the end of the weft secure. Now, after you have completed the last end stitch, you will stitch down and back, starting at the upper corner of the weft and coming out under the edge of the weft, going in the opposite direction. Continue sewing, holding the thread up and forward of the needle. The needle should come out under the thread. Make sure you are always sewing in back of the beaded row. The beauty of the chained row is that you can sew anywhere along the weft and each bead supports the next. When you get to the last bead, sew 4 to 5 close together stitches just like you did at the beginning. Then stitch down and back just like before, coming out in the opposite direction. Now sew several stitches going back towards the middle. To create a knot to tie off, leave the last stitch pulled only part of the way through. Cut off the needle, pull one side of the thread while holding the other end. You will see only one thread pulling through. Now tie both ends together 3 to 4 times. Cut. Leave the thread 1 to 2 inches long so it doesn't stick out. You are done. Thank you for watching. Visit visionhairextensions.com or look for product links in description. And please give us a like.